Biakamal kanwar I channel Mijiram Yidit Gorab subscribe. Kami Jiram Tatanun Gurab notification veil Bijala Bako Yum Chinador Avlut Beamanajiking Pet. Wabia Kamal.
Goa be subscribe manan be twang. Be more like. He be notification bell be twang comment adora blood be magic pet. Go along.
Salam alaikum.
In a crucial initiative aimed at addressing the deteriorating security situation in Upper Nile State following the recent armed conflict in Nasir, President Salva has officially sworn in General James Koang Chuol as the new governor of Upper Nile State. The ceremony held on Thursday underscored the urgent need for peace and reconciliation in the region plagued by ongoing violence. In his address, President Kir tasked Governor Koang with the critical responsibility of promptly ending hostilities in the area. He reiterated his administration's unwavering commitment to restoring stability and peace throughout South Sudan. The president called on all the citizens to turn away from the cycles of revenge and embrace unity for the nation's greater good.
James Koang Mazol Garib Manana, we Janet fi Jamus, we Darab ma Jamus, we Yabu Kadabit so Ugabel Galin u Rajul Bita Peace, u Lo Bukta Salam, Ajib Salam. Nasir. We don't want revenge killing. The
event drew attention from senior government officials and military leaders, many of whom expressed their confidence in General Koang's capability to address the challenges facing Upper Nile State, especially in his hometown area of Nasir, which has been a flashpoint for conflict between the military and armed factions.
Military background عشان السيرفيشن الموجود في الملكال يتم تحسينه. أنا بقول الأخ كوانغ له قدرات مرتين وأنا بناشد my brother كوانغ you know ملكال very well والمشاكل بتاعه كل الموجودين زاد التشالنجز الموجودة في ملكال كتير لكن أنت على حسب قدر المسؤولين أنت ما يتعاملوا.
والآن عملت عمل كبير جدا حكمة ربنا سبحانه وتعالى عملت عمل كبير جدا وأنقذت شعبك. الآن شعب النيل أنقذتهم في كل النواحي. الحرب ما بيحصل، التنمية هيحصل، والانسجام التام بين المواطنين كما كان من زمان على النيل، وأنت تدرك ذلك.
That the message is peace, reconciliation, forgiveness. We need to forgive one another. As you go, our message is peace, reconciliation, and dialogue. You can dialogue with your enemy, dialogue with them. You know, these are people in your area.
Officials say that, known for his leadership and respect within the military community, Koang is seen as a figure well suited to foster positive relations among the diverse population in Upper Nile region.
تعيين بتاع كونغ ده our expectation ونحن قبلناه هو مواطنين برحب بيه. دي داير أقول بس حاجة لكونغ. Koang أنت كادر وعارفين قدراتك. Take care of security. Without security, إذن ما في دولة. Take care of the border. في كلام كتير هناك. Take care of our population.
As Governor Koang steps into the new role, the nation's attention remains focused on Upper Nile, ideally hoping for a return to peace and unity amongst its people.
أنا بمشي نجرب شغل بتاعي. ده واحدة ده نمبر 1. واحدة بتاعنا في جنوبين وفي Upper Nile. فأنا بشكر السيد الرئيس بتاعين.
Priska Call, SSBC News, Juba.